On the 12th day of Thriftmas, Refashionista Sheri gave to me 12 last-minute presents. I am absolutely certain that everybody has something in their own wardrobe that they're just not feeling anymore. Or maybe you bought something a long time ago and it is sitting there with the tag still on, just gathering dust. Instead of donating it, why not wrap it up pretty with your upcycled or recycled wrapping, of course, and gift it away to someone who will truly appreciate it and love adding it to their own wardrobe.
And our present search continues with accessories and books. I actually have two identical books, so I'm going to gift away the hardcover one. But for the accessories, I need a little bowl or a cup or a little plate or something. And then I grabbed a scarf, I put the little tiny soy sauce holder in there and put the accessories on it, and then simply rolled up the ends of the scarf, tie them in a lovely knot, and I have an absolutely fabulous little accessory gift. Next, if you want to know how I wrap up my books with this upcycled wrapping, then pop on over to day 7 of the 12 days of Thriftmas, and it's all over there. Let's head into the bathroom now and grab some of these relaxing beauty masks that are totally unused, as well as an applicator that I've never used. And I think everybody has extra makeup bags, so why not use it? Put everything in the little makeup bag, close it up, grab a bunch of ribbons and bows, tie it up, and there's another gift done. Now I'm going to look in the linen closet. Now, I don't know if anybody else does this, but when my cosmetics or anything really is on sale and I can afford it, I will buy them in bulk. So all I'm doing is putting together a little kind of eye makeup collection for somebody here and wrapping it all up in a cleaned out veggie or fruit clamshell from the recycling bin. Very, very simple. And you see, it's just a very thoughtful little gift, and it was all from my very own linen closet and recycling bin. So perfect. And let's see what is behind Skelly there. Oh, right. This frame that I thrifted in the summer, and I never used it. So you know what? I'm just going to print out some pictures of the person that it's going to and put them in there. And now I'm wrapping it up with some scrap wrapping paper. And of course, we have to top it off with one of my little wire ribbons there, which I just love so much because they're so simple. Next, I collect jars, of course, because I'm a refashionista. So I am going to just grab a couple of jars and one of these thingies from my plastic utensil drawer and go up to my bathroom once again and grab some lovely lavender Epsom salts and just fill up that jar. And now I just have to wrap everything up. I'm also including some relaxing green tea and wrap it all up pretty with that leftover wrapping paper. And there you go. Another gift done. Next, we have Skelly again waiting to play with me. But we got to get this done first. So let's go in the pantry and grab rice and lentils. And I have a couple different types of rice, a couple different types of lentils, and I'm putting my favorite spices in there along with some chilies and soup stock. And there I have just created cozy comfort soup in a jar. Now I'm just going to top it off with a vintage knit doily. Isn't that adorable? And then here are the instructions, and I'm just going to tie that around, and I have a lovely thoughtful gift for someone and also dinner if they want. Next, I've had this vase back here forever, and I think it's time it can go to somebody else because it's just hiding up there on my Wohnzimmerschrank. And let's wrap this up with again some upcycled recycled wrapping and top it off with my lovely Gen X ribbon curls, which are so easy and fun to do, actually. And in here, little candle holder and a candle. And doesn't everybody kind of have a drawer that has extra gift bags in it? I definitely do. And just pop those in there, and there's another gift done. Here, I don't know if anybody else saves these kind of big trays and platters. I have way too many of them, along with some cool vintage tablecloths. So I'm taking the pasta bowl, putting in some gluten-free pasta, some regular pasta, and of course the pasta server, and then tying it all up in a fabulous vintage tablecloth. And I'm positive everybody in their Christmas decorations has deco that maybe you've gotten as a gift yourself and you're not sure if you're ever going to use it, but it's still in the packaging. Just re-gift it. And of course, last but not least, you can absolutely still get my amazing collection of rockin' Refashionista books over on Amazon.
I truly hope you enjoyed my rockin' Refashionista Thriftmas special and that you were absolutely inspired to upcycle, refashion, and thrift your way to the most eco-friendly Thriftmas possible. However you're celebrating or not celebrating the holidays, I wish you a wonderful time full of much love and laughter and massive Refashionista bear hugs all the way from Canada. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. And here's a real hug for ya. On the 12th day of Thriftmas, Refashionista Sheri gave to me 12 last-minute presents, 11 blanket upcycles, 10 quick accessory makes, 9 thrifty holiday party looks, plus the tutorials, 8 amazing sweater refashions, 7 simple wrapping hacks, 6 thrifty gift ideas, 5 rockin' Refashionista books, 4 relaxing gifts for myself, 3 take a break treats, 2 trash to treasure decor ideas, and a thrifted gift wrapped beautifully.
Confessions of a Refashionista.